Teriyaki salmon bowls are very popular. They are delicious and easy to make. You can enjoy the flavors of Japan at home. This recipe is great for any night. The teriyaki sauce is savory and a little sweet. It coats the salmon perfectly. The salmon is flaky and juicy. The fresh vegetables add a satisfying crunch. This recipe is versatile. You can customize it with your favorite vegetables and toppings. Try adding avocado, edamame, or pickled ginger. Here's what you'll need to make 2 delicious teriyaki salmon bowls. For the teriyaki sauce, you'll need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Soy sauce is a staple in many Asian cuisines and adds a rich, savory flavor to the sauce. Next, you'll need 1/4 cup of mirin, which is a sweet rice wine. Mirin adds a subtle sweetness and depth to the sauce. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The brown sugar will help to balance the saltiness of the soy sauce and add a hint of caramel flavor. 1 tablespoon of sake, which is Japanese rice wine, is optional but highly recommended. It adds a unique flavor and complexity to the sauce. Finally, you'll need 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Fresh ginger adds a spicy, aromatic kick that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Now, let's move on to the ingredients for the salmon and the bowls. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, each weighing between 6 to 8 ounces. You can choose to keep the skin on or remove it, depending on your preference. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The oil will help to cook the salmon evenly and give it a nice, crispy texture. For the base of the bowls, you'll need 1 cup of cooked sushi rice. Sushi rice is sticky and slightly sweet, making it the perfect complement to the savory salmon and teriyaki sauce. To add some color and texture to your bowls, choose your favorite vegetables for topping. Some great options include sliced avocado, shredded carrots, cucumber ribbons, and edamame. These vegetables not only add nutritional value but also make the bowls visually appealing. You can also add seaweed salad for an extra burst of umami flavor. Don't forget to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top for a bit of crunch and a nutty taste. Finally, garnish your bowls with some sliced green onions. They add a fresh, sharp flavor that ties all the ingredients together beautifully. And there you have it, all the ingredients you need to make delicious teriyaki salmon bowls. Making the teriyaki sauce is easy and quick. First, combine soy sauce, mirin, brown sugar, sake if using, and grated ginger in a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a simmer, stirring often, until the sugar dissolves. This should only take a few minutes. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 more minutes. The sauce will thicken slightly. Remove the sauce from heat. Set it aside. Section 4. Cooking the salmon to perfection. Now let's cook the salmon. Cooking salmon to perfection requires attention to detail and a few simple steps. First, pat the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This step is crucial as it helps to remove excess moisture, ensuring that the salmon sears properly and develops a nice crispy skin. Next, heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking, as this will help to cook the salmon evenly without burning it. Carefully place the salmon fillets in the hot skillet, skin side down. This will help to render the fat and create a deliciously crispy skin. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Be patient and avoid moving the salmon too much to ensure a perfect sear. Pour half of the prepared teriyaki sauce over the salmon fillets. The sauce will add a rich, savory flavor that complements the natural taste of the salmon. Cook for 1 to 2 more minutes, basting the salmon with the sauce, or until the sauce thickens and creates a beautiful glaze. This final step will ensure that the salmon is not only flavorful but also visually appealing, with a glossy finish that makes it look as good as it tastes. Section 5. Building your delicious bowl. Now the fun part. Let's assemble your teriyaki salmon bowls. First, divide the cooked sushi rice evenly between 2 bowls. Then, top the rice with your favorite vegetables. Be creative. Carefully place a glazed salmon fillet on top of the vegetables in each bowl. Spoon any remaining teriyaki sauce over the salmon and vegetables. Finally, sprinkle with sesame seeds and sliced green onions for garnish. Section 6. Serving and storing tips. In this section, we will guide you on how to serve and store your delicious teriyaki salmon bowls to ensure they remain fresh and flavorful. Your teriyaki salmon bowls are ready to enjoy. These bowls are a perfect blend of savory and sweet, making them a delightful meal for any occasion. Serve them immediately for the best flavor. The freshness of the ingredients is key to experiencing the full depth of flavors. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your meal. For meal prepping, store the cooked salmon and rice separately in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This helps maintain the texture and taste of each component. When you're ready to eat, reheat the salmon and rice before assembling the bowls. This ensures that each bite is warm and delicious, just like when it was freshly made. You can adjust the sweetness of the teriyaki sauce by adding more or less brown sugar, depending on your preference. This allows you to customize the flavor to suit your taste. Enjoy the delicious flavors of Japan in the comfort of your own home. These teriyaki salmon bowls are not only tasty, but also a great way to bring a touch of Japanese cuisine to your dining table. Savor every bite and share the joy with your loved ones.